Hello! Okay, so today is a very short video, two little videos, one now and then some next ones to show you some demonstrations that we would normally do in class. Okay, but today I just want to finish up this booklet with how reactive is an element. Okay, so how reactive, so we're on page 28, oh no, sorry, we're on page 30 in your booklet. So how reactive an element is based on its valence electrons. Okay, so which are the electrons in its outermost orbit. Okay, so all atoms we know want to be stable. That's their goal. Okay, and they become stable when their outer shell is full of electrons. Only the noble gases are chemically stable because their outer orbit is full. Okay, so if I take a look at my periodic table here, can I see my whole thing? No, not quite. Okay, so helium can only hold 2 valence electrons in its first orbit, and it has 2. Okay, the neon in its second orbit can only hold 8, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Argon can only hold 8 in its third shell, and its third shell is full. Okay, so that's why they are stable. Okay, everyone else must either lose, gain, or share electrons. So this is a bit grade 10, but that's totally okay. Okay, so the most reactive elements are alkali metals and halogens, because they are only 1 electron away from being stable. Okay, so alkali metals, if we look on our periodic table here, are in this column here, and they only have 1 valence electron. So it is much easier for them to get rid of the 1 than it is for them to try and gain 7 to become stable like the next noble gas. Okay, much easier for them to get rid of the 1 and become like the noble gas just before them. Okay. Alkaline earth metals and chalcogens also readily combine to form compounds, as they are both 2 electrons away from being stable. Okay, so after this I want you to go and watch the next 2 videos. There's some demonstrations on what we would normally do in class. I also have one that shows the demonstration in class as well. Okay, but take a look. This next page is called the periodic table puns, and this is just for fun. The pun is on the left-hand side, and then use the periodic table to find the element that matches it. Then you just put the name and the symbol here. So for example, it says 5 cents. Well, that's a nickel, and then you put the symbol Ni. Okay, and I can give you the answers too if you get that far. And then the atomic structure find is an awesome activity using your periodic table now that you have a lot more understanding of it. And I would just write the elements, and we only go for the first 3 rows, okay, the first 3 periods, and you list as many as fit that box, okay? And there's our periodic table. Okay, right on, off you go.